Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Eternal Philosophy. So today we are going to talk about planetesimal hypothesis और इससे पहले मैंने nebular hypothesis and gaseous hypothesis which was given by Manuel Kant. I have discussed. So if you want to know about those hypotheses, you can go to my channel. There you will find these videos on this nebular hypothesis and gaseous hypothesis. So this is a planetesimal hypothesis which was given by Chamberlin and Moulton. Okay. So first it is introduction. So the Chamberlin-Moulton planetesimal hypothesis is another name for this planetesimal hypothesis. ये जो name है ये इसका एक अलग नाम है for what? This planetesimal hypothesis. So which was proposed by this Thomas Chamberlain and Forrest Moulton in 1905. तो जो इनके प्रोफाउंडर्स थे वो थे थॉमस चैम्बरलिन एंड फॉरेस्ट मॉर्टन, इन्हीं के नाम थे जो प्लैनेटेसिमल हाइपोथेसिस है उसका एक अनदर नेम रखा गया दैट इज चैम्बरलिन मॉर्टन प्लैनेटेसिमल हाइपोथेसिस. So according to this hypothesis, what happened that the solar system's planets were thought to have formed from a collision between a sun and another star. तो जो हमारा सोलर सिस्टम के जो भी प्लैनेट्स हैं वो फॉर्म कैसे हुए हैं बाय द कोलिजन बिटवीन द स्टार एंड द सन. ओके, ऐसे कोलिजन हुआ उससे हमारा जो प्लैनेट्स हैं सोलर सिस्टम के वो बने हैं. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दिस चैम्बरलिन मोल्टन planetesimal hypothesis. So according to this Chamberlain, initially there were two heavenly bodies in the universe. So according to Chamberlain, he said that there were two heavenly bodies. First it was protosun and second it was companion star, or you can say it intruding star. So thus protosun was made of very small particles which were solid and cold. So जो protosun था वो small particles से बना हुआ था जो कि solid था or cold था in nature. So there was another intruding star or companion star which was destined to pass very close to protosun. क्या हुआ कि ये जो प्रोटोसन है जो कि सॉलिड है और बना हुआ है कोल्ड से, ठीक है, मतलब एक कोल्ड इसका नेचर है. तो क्या हुआ कि एक इंट्रूडिंग स्टार आया, वो डेस्टाइंड हुआ यानी कि बाय डेस्टिनी वो पास हुआ सन के क्लोज से, बहुत ही ज्यादा क्लोज से. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि when intruding star passed very close to protosun, infinite numbers of small particles were detached from the outer surface of protosun due to massive gravitational pull exerted by giant intruding star. That was Chamberlain termed these small particles as planetesimals. तो क्या हुआ जब प्रोटोसन यहाँ पे था और वो इंट्रूडिंग स्टार जो है बहुत ही क्लोज आया सन के, तो क्या हुआ ये जो इंट्रूडिंग स्टार है इसने प्रोटोसन से एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लिए और इंजेक्ट कर लिया, आप कह सकते हैं, छोटे 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 पार्टिकल्स. ठीक है, बहुत कुछ छोटे थे कुछ बड़े थे, मतलब उनका साइज था वो डिफाइंड नहीं था, इट वाज इन वेरियस शेप्स. तो ऐसे करके जो इंट्रूडिंग स्टार है बाय दिस ग्रेविटेशनल पुल that was exerted by this giant intruding star, these small planetesimals were extracted from this protosun. Okay, ये प्रोटोसन है और ये इंक्लूडिंग स्टार है. ओके, so this is how this planetesimal formed. That it was particles that was extracted from protosons by the gravitational pull that was exerted by the giant intruding star. Okay, and these particles is to be called as planetesimals. Okay, these small particles is to be called as planetesimals. So you can see in this picture, you can see that these are the kind of small planetesimals that were extracted from the sun by the intruding star. Okay, so these planetesimals were in different shapes. जो planetesimals थे वो different shapes में थे, कुछ बड़े थे कुछ छोटे थे, और जो बड़े planetesimals थे वो क्या बने, वो न्यूक्ली बने फॉर व्हाट दिस फ्यूचर प्लैनेट्स. यानी कि जो भी बड़े वाले थे ना planetesimals और जो छोटे वाले थे, उनमें से जो बड़ा वाला था it was to be known as nuclei. Okay, so these future planets, how it is formed, let's see. So जो larger planetesimals थे ना वो start करने लगे attracting small planetesimals, यानी कि जो भी smalls थे वो अपने और खींचने लगे, अपने आप से वो जोड़ने लगे जो small planetesimals थे. Okay, thus small नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे large आएगा. Okay, large. Thus, large planetesimals started to grow by the process of accretion of infinite numbers of small planetesimals and formed planets. यानी कि जो large planetesimals थे या फिर large particles थे, उन्होंने क्या किया, वो बड़े होने लगे by the process of accretion. accretion मतलब addition होता है, ठीक है, addition of infinite numbers of small planetesimals, और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने planet बनाया. यानी कि जो बड़े-बड़े particles थे, बड़े-बड़े planetesimals थे, उन्होंने छोटे-छोटे planetesimals को attract किया, क्योंकि जो बड़े साइज में होते हैं उनके पास ज्यादा ग्रेविटेशनल पुल होता है, ठीक है. So this was the reason why large particles have attracted these small planetesimals through the process of accretion. अब इसके बाद क्या हुआ कि जो बचा हुआ न्यूक्लियस था, यानी कि जो बचा हुआ था, that was प्रोटोसन, वो क्या बन गया, it was changed into present day sun. आज का जो सन हम कहते हैं वो सन में कन्वर्ट हो गया. So जो सैटेलाइट्स है वो भी इसी तरह बने, were created due to repetition of the same process and mechanism. ठीक है. So according to a planetesimal theory, जो main force था that ejected small particles from the protosun, वो main force क्या था, tidal force था. Okay, that main force was tidal force that was exerted by approaching or intruding sun on the outer surface of the protosun. So this is how this planetesimal hypothesis works. Now if we go into about the merits of planetesimal hypothesis, the first merit we can see is that कि जो planetesimal theory था वो explains the formation of meteorites and meteor showers. Okay, so it explains the highly eclipsed orbits of small planetary bodies and almost circular orbits of larger things. तो ये भी explain करता है कि जो elliptical orbits थे small planetary bodies की, और जो कि smaller orbits में थे of larger thing. Okay, so this planetesimal hypothesis explains this formation of meteorites and explanations of these circular orbits of larger things. So these are the kind of merits of this planetesimal hypothesis. Now, if we go on upon to this criticism of this planetesimal hypothesis, so जो पहला criticism है जो कि face किया था planetesimal hypothesis में, वो था कि जो failure to explain this massive passing star which must remain near the sun, यानी कि जो प्रोटोसन था, राइट, और ये जो इंट्रूडिंग स्टार आया, ठीक है, ये कहाँ चला गया, मतलब एक बार आया फिर कहाँ चला गया. So Chamberlain, he was not able to explain the massive passing star which must remain near the sun. Okay, now the second that is criticism is faced by this hypothesis was that कि जो stars होते हैं ना स्पेस में वो बहुत दूर दूर होते हैं, और मूविंग फ्रॉम वन टू द नेक्स्ट इज इम्पॉसिबल, यानी कि कोई भी स्टार इतना पास नहीं आ सकता कि एक दूसरे के आगे पीछे या फिर एक दूसरे के सामने वो मूव कर सके, ठीक है. दिस वाज द सेकंड क्रिटिसिज्म, यानी कि ये दोनों स्टार्स थे ना, तो हाउ दीज टू स्टार्स कैन कम सो क्लोज in space. We have seen that there are stars which are very distant or far away from each other. Okay, and the third one is like it was not able to explain the existence of only 9 planets. यानी कि why it formed only 9 planets, why it didn't explain like more planets or less planets to be found. And the last one is like also this hypothesis was not able to explain the different dimensions of the planets. यानी कि ये जो hypothesis है, this hypothesis is not able to explain कि why our planets are different in sizes. Okay, if we can see that the Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, right? So different sizes है, क्यों है ये? So इसको भी explain नहीं कर पाया. So these were the criticism that was faced by planetesimal hypothesis. So here we have completed this topic, that is planetesimal hypothesis. So thank you everyone for watching my video. If you feel that my videos are helpful for you, please do subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye everyone. Take care of yourself.